Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope that you are all doing well. In this video, I would like to share with you one of many cultural heritage of Sundanese people, which is namely Ngarupus tradition. His grandfather is overwhelmed with happiness. He just got his first grandchild, whom he has been waiting for so long. To express his thankfulness to God, he invites his neighbor and his family to his home, introduce the new baby born, announce the name of the baby, and pray together for the good health and wellness of the baby.
Allahumma sholli ala Muhammad.
One of the main events of the tradition is to cut the baby's hair as the symbolic purpose to cleanse the baby from all impurities and dirt so that she or he can grow healthy.
What they are doing is called saweran. The baby's family throws coins with some candies to the crowd, where someone holds the baby with open umbrella in the middle of the crowd. This is a symbolic prayer for the baby to be blessed with great prosperity. Once the gathering prayer is completed, the baby's family provide food with some money to the guests to be taken home to share their joy and happiness. After the prayer, the event was continued by Sundanese traditional music shows.
Alam dunya sumedeng sing serang padung cek manehna sabot anteng ngali juga beudang peuting.
Mugi kasari kabakti katarima uru kagungan apukah bangsa alit anu dibaktikeun agung
The last event of this traditional ceremony is called Ngaraja. Ngaraja is reciting prayer for the baby using ancient Sundanese language.
Ligar wangi arum ceng-ceman kembang awaki wajah ligar wangi arum ceng-ceman kembang awaki